This video is going to be discussing repairing a plastic box and making it more useful to me. It's not a woodworking video, so if you're not interested, then watch it through anyways. I need the views. Thank you. My brother recently gave me this really nice DeWalt box. It's a nice big box with a good solid carrying handle. I really like it. However, there's one small problem. It's all on the inside. This box is designed specifically to hold a set like circular saw and drill and other tools, and this inside is so bulky that it's basically unusable for anything but those tools. So what I'm going to try to do is, I recently purchased this heat gun. I'm going to try to soften up the plastic enough that I can press it down. It won't be perfect, but hopefully it will become usable. If that doesn't work, then I guess sadly in the dumpster it goes. Let's see how this works. Yeah, that's taken an awful long time, and I do have it soft here, but that's a lot of plastic to melt to do this. I might go a different way. It's double walled, so what I might just do is cut out the inside wall on both the top and the bottom, and it doesn't really matter that it's going to be single wall, I don't think. So I'm going to think about this. Wow, this is really working out to be a pain in the neck, but it is a nice box. So, all right, I have most of the inside wall cut out. I did make a couple mistakes where I cut through the outside wall too, but not too bad. I might be able to repair that. I got a couple places where they glued it into place, and I think I'm going to try to hit it with the heat gun and soften that glue. See if that does the trick. If that does, I'm debating on doing the same thing on the top, or maybe not. We'll see. Well, it's a lot better, but it's not perfect. But I think this is going to work better for my needs, at least. Especially considering I do not have the set that originally came in it. Problem is that I did cut through the wall right here. So, other than that, I think there's really nothing particularly bad about this case now. I think I can leave the lid as double walled, but I have a PVC welder that I'm going to fix that with. I think I'm going to try at least. Let's see how well that works. Alright, the modification is complete. I have repaired where I cut through the wall on the inside, on the outside wall. I decided not to remove the top half double wall, but the inside double wall is completely removed. All the mess ups have been fixed, and now it is a matter of loading it up. I haven't completely decided what I'm going to put in it yet, but I have a couple ideas, and it's always nice to have a box sitting around. So for now, it's an empty box, but 100% more useful to me than it was just a couple hours ago. So for now, it goes right there. I guess I could peel off that label since it's no more a DW4 pack. The box is still DeWalt. We'll just leave that part. There you go. Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.